Hi guys, Steph here. Now, you regular viewers, you would have seen my latest May pen haul, and as always, from my pen hauls, I received many inquiries from viewers asking to reserve specific pens subject to restoration. And I know you people out there, some of you like to see the before and the afterwards. So I thought I'd show you some of the pens that are ready to go to new homes. And well, yeah, what we'll do, we'll show you the before and we'll show you the after. So the first pen is this one here. So as you can see, it's a lovely pen. Okay, just needs a little bit of work. And after that work, here's the pen in question. What we've got here is a Lady Schaefer 904 in this gorgeous paisley pattern. It's a black enamelled with this engraved paisley pattern. Absolutely lovely condition, gold plated clip, from around about the 1970s. Okay, now let's just take the cap off for you. There we go. This particular pen is what we term as an aerometric. It's got the correct filler there. Okay, and as I say, this one's been fully restored and serviced and is ready to go to the new owner. Okay, now this particular inquirer also saw this particular pen. Okay, yes, you can see we've seen these before. And here's the pen in question now. A absolutely gorgeous burgundy Parker 51 with the gold cap there. As you can see, there's the word Parker. Okay, lovely condition. Incidentally, for you people that want to know, this particular pen capped is 132 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 11 millimeters in diameter. Comes with the aerometric filler, which is lovely and clean. It's been fully disassembled and it's ready to go. As you can see, in absolutely lovely condition. Okay, so that's that one. Now that was one particular viewer, and then I had a second viewer, and he was all the way from down under. He inquired regarding, well, 3 or 4 pens he was interested in. He reserved them. So you remember seeing this particular pen here. Okay, lovely grey coloured. As with a lot of pens, just needs a little bit of attention. And after that attention, look at this pen here. An absolutely gorgeous. This is actually the Croxley pen made in Great Britain. Now this one, I've actually shown you the Croxley pens before. This is actually the earlier version with this ball clip, as you can see there. To the top, it's got this sort of finial, slightly faceted finial to the top there. And it's a lever-filled fountain pen. Oh, incidentally, the size of this particular pen capped is 129 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter. Once again, reserved, subject to restoration, all done, and they're ready to be shipped. This one comes with a lovely Croxley. This has actually got a Dickinson product 14 karat gold nib. Okay, absolutely lovely. I don't know, did I just mention it? Capped 129. The barrel 12 millimeters in diameter. In gorgeous condition. You can see it's a lever fill fountain pen. Okay, so a gorgeous early the Croxley fountain pen in grey and black marble in beautiful, beautiful condition. The same viewer also saw this particular pen here, reserved it, again subject to a little bit of work, and after that little bit of work, absolutely gorgeous. We've got a lovely Conway Stewart number 75, made in England, in this mauve marble with nickel trim. Absolutely gorgeous. Once again, a lever filler. Size of this pen, 127mm capped. Diameter around about 11mm in diameter. Okay, there's the pen, the section. This one comes with a lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib, and if I remember rightly, inside the section to the bottom of the nib it has the number number 11, the number 3. So it's a number 3 nib, but as you can see, a stunning pen. The same customer also saw this particular pen here. Once again, need a little bit of work, and here it is after that work. An absolutely lovely swan self filler in green, black marbling, capped around about 126mm capped. Around the barrel, a nice 11mm in diameter. Comes with a very recognisable swan ball clip with the logo to the top. 2 cap bands, as you can see there, with the logo to the very top, to the finial to the very top. A gorgeous, gorgeous pen. Once again, section. This particular pen has the Swan Maybe Todd number 2 14 karat gold nib. Lovely section there, as you can see. All nice and clean as always. So that particular viewer saw this one, liked it, reserved it, subject to restoration. And last but not least, the same viewer saw this particular pencil. Yes, it was that gorgeous fine point pencil in this mauve snakeskin original sticker, as you can see there, in superb condition with lead and in full working order. Okay, and last but not least, the same viewer also saw this particular pen on a recent pen review. This is the I forgot which it is. It's the 1060. Okay, he saw it, he reserved it, subject to restoration, and it's all ready to go. So if you want to see that, go and have a look at the review. Now, for some of these pens, I'm not going to do a writing sample with them. Well, I am going to do a dip test on some of these pens because they've got interesting nibs. Now this one, the green swan, if we dip it, so what we've got is a swan self filler, writing very nicely indeed. But the interesting thing about this particular nib, yes, look at that, it comes with a flexi nib. So what we'll do, we'll clean that after the video. So a lovely flexi nib on the Swan. The Conway Stewart, I also noticed the nib has a little bit of flex. So a Conway Conway Stewart, and as we said, this is the number 75. Okay, if you look there, that's also got some flex to the nib, a nice writing variation. And last but not least, if we come back to the Croxley pen, let's dip that. So what we've got is the Croxley pen, made in Great Britain. And again, okay, so we've run out of ink on that one. It's only a dip test. So the interesting thing about some of these pens, if you look there, look at that. Some lovely line variation on these 3 pens. They've all got, so to a certain extent, flexy nibs with a lovely line variation. So let's pop the pad there. So there we have it. We've got a bunch of pens, 2 from one particular viewer and the rest from another viewer from down under. So all these pens are now ready to be shipped. So you people that ask, Steph, how can I buy your pens? Do what everybody else does. If you see a pen that you're interested, make an inquiry and we'll take it from there. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below just to the right, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me, bye-bye for now.